Question number 3, third subdivision. We have a real life situation where the coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3800. Second time she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for 1750. We have to find the cost of each bat and each ball using the substitution method. First we will form the equation. First we will introduce what is x and what is y. Let us take the cost of each bat to be rupees x and the cost of each ball to be rupees y. Now, first time the coach buys 7 bats and 6 balls. So we are going to have 7x plus 6y equal to 3800. 7 into cost of each bat because 7 bats are bought. Then 6 into cost of each ball because 6 balls are bought. I hope you understand this step. Let us keep this as equation 1. Then the second time 3 bats and 5 balls are bought. So we have 3x plus 5y equal to 1750. That is equation 2. Now let us take the first equation or the second equation. Let us take the first equation. We have 7x plus 6y equal to 3800. Then 6y equal to 3800 minus 7x. So your y is going to be 3800 minus 7x divided by 6. We are going to substitute this in the second equation. Second equation we have 3x plus 5y equal to 1750. We have 3x plus 5 into 3800 minus 7x divided by 6 equal to 1750. Now we have 3x plus 3800 into 5 is 0, 0, 5 8s are 40, carry 4, 3 5s are 15, plus 4 is 19. So we have 19,000 minus 5 into 7 is 35, 35x by 6 equal to 1750. Now I want to do step by step. I will just write this there for you. We have 3x plus 19,000 minus 35x divided by 6 is equal to 1750. We will take LCM. When we are taking LCM, I will just keep that y value. Other things I will just erase. Now when you take LCM, you will have the LCM is going to be 6. 3 into 6 is 18x plus 19,000 minus 35x equal to 1750. When you take this 6 to the other side, then we will solve the numerator also. So we will have minus 17x plus 19,000 equal to 1750 into 6. So we are going to have minus 17x equal to 1750 into 6 is 0 into 6 0, 5 6 are 30, carry 3, 7 6 are 42, 45, carry 4. So we will have 10,500. 10,500. Taking this 19,000 to the other side, we will have minus 19,000. So minus 17x equal to, when you subtract, you will get minus 8,500. That implies your x value is going to be minus 8,500 divided by minus 17. You know that 17 into 5 is 85. Minus and minus will get cancelled. So it is 500. We have found our x value to be 500. Now substitute this 500 here. We have y is equal to 3800 minus 7x by 6. We are going to substitute that x value here. We have got x is equal to 500. Y is going to be 3800 minus 7 into x, that is 7 into 500 divided by 6, that is 3800 minus 3500 divided by 6, which is 300 divided by 6, that is your y value is 50. Now we have found our y value. Finally we will just write the answer. So cost of each bat is nothing but your x value, that is rupees 500. Then cost of each ball is nothing but your y value, that is rupees 50. So we have found the cost of each bat and each ball. Cost of each bat is 500 rupees. Cost of each ball is 50 rupees.